How to use AI to autofix blurry photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can fix blurry photos using AI. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'll be using ChatGPT to make my photos clear again. All you have to do here is tap on the plus icon at the left side of your screen, tap on it, and from there, you can just click on photos to upload your picture. Here I have uploaded a blurry image, so I'll just write this prompt to ChatGPT, make it clear and detailed. Once you've done that, tap on the send icon. Now it's going to take some time to process the image, but you just have to basically wait here. And if you want other details, you can just add it to your prompt. It's going to generate the image and make it clear. As you guys can see here, the picture has been created. You can tap on it to view the picture and it looks pretty good. So it has added many details to the picture and it looks pretty similar to the blurred one. So now to download it, just click on the picture, tap on the download or save button at the bottom, and you should be able to download it to your device without any problem. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.